cute cozy living space is your kitchen area. I like how spacious and nice it is. As you enter, you have a nice queen size bed. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project by the Birla Group called Birla Trimaya Phase 3, which is located in Devanahalli, very close to the Bangalore airport. And before I give you a tour of the lovely property, right behind me is the sales office and the marketing office. You can drop by here for your queries. And here is the location where we're standing today. And as you can see, right there is the area where the construction is going on of the apartments. Now come, let's give you a tour of this lovely property. Now before I give you an actual tour of the project and the project overview, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from the brokers by connecting you directly with the developer. Therefore, you can book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. The Birla Trimaya Phase 3 project by Aditya Birla Group is spread across a land parcel of 52 acres, and this property consists of about 5 towers, each consisting of basement on 14 floors. And this is located in the Shettigere Road, close to the Devanahalli area, close to the Kempegowda Airport. And this duplex homes comes in the configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK duplex homes. And now let's find out about the connectivity. As you can see, this property is spread across such a large area, that is 5.2 acres, and it's about 2 kilometers from the Prestige North Mall, 2.5 kilometers from the Prestige Tech Cloud, 3 kilometers from the airport metro station, and about 5.9 kilometers from the Kempegowda International Airport, very close to the airport. So this property boasts of 30 plus lifestyle luxury amenities, includes a swimming pool, kids area, the garden area, skating rink, amphitheater, etc. So this is the Birla Trimaya Phase 3. Let's go have a look at the sample flat. So this is the 3 BHK model flat of Birla Trimaya. Let's have a look at it. Come on in. As you enter, you see this nice foyer area here. This can be decorated. You can add your little cabinets and some kind of a showpiece to make it more welcoming. And this property is spread across 1,370 square feet built up area. As you enter, on my left here, you see a nice cute cozy living space which comfortably accommodates a 6-seater sofa with a couple of chairs. And right opposite to that, you have your TV cabinet here with television area. And this also opens up to a nice balcony space outside. With the wonderful view of the outside garden area. As we move in, right next to the living space is your dining space, which again comfortably accommodates a 6-seater dining space. You can even extend it up to 8 if required. So this is the tucked in dining space. And right next to the dining space is your kitchen area. Okay, the kitchen area, I like how they have this like tabletop counter here, which also has cabinets below. You can utilize this space as well. It's a nice space here with a little utility space provided here to store your dishwasher and your refrigerator, with nice large French windows giving you a view of the garden area outside. And we have enough cabinets here and on the bottom. Now moving to our first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom in 3 BHK property. It comfortably accommodates a queen size bed with enough space on either sides for the side tables. You have a nice wardrobe space here on the left, along with enough space to accommodate another smaller wardrobe or a bookshelf. You can use it however you like. And also the beauty is these nice large windows that are provided here that gives you ample light and ventilation. And right opposite to the bed, you have this space here Again, for your television or your bookshelf, or to add on more cabinets to store your personal belongings. And this first bedroom has an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. So this was the first bedroom. Now let's go have a look at the second bedroom. But before that, we have, as we move to the bedroom area, the second bedroom area, we have a common bathroom space here, can be used as a bathroom or a powder room. Again, with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So this is the second bedroom, which is also quite spacious, can be used as a kids room or a guest room. It comfortably accommodates a queen size bed and with ample space on either sides for the bedside tables. And I like how they have these nice large windows here, again to give you light and enough ventilation. And right opposite the bed you have your television area here or a bookshelf. You can decorate it however you like. It's still going to be quite spacious for you to add on more cabinets or more wardrobe space. You have a nice wardrobe here for your kids, along with a nice little study table area for the kids with storage space below and on top here to store their toys and books. And this second bedroom also comes with an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles. You have again nice window here to give you a nice natural light, anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So just before you enter the master bedroom, right here on the side here, there is a little corner which can be used as your study area. It has a nice large window here to give you ample lighting and ventilation. It's a quite cozy, cute space where you can sit and read your books or do your office work or use it as a nice study area. And right behind me is the master bedroom. But before I give you a tour of the master bedroom, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey will give you an actual tour of the property. Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey will give you the EMI and down payment options available. And Housey will also give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And if you like the property so far, you can book a free site visit in 3 simple clicks by clicking on the link below. Come on in. Now, wow, this is a nice spacious master bedroom. I like how spacious and nice it is. As you enter, you have a nice queen size bed. Right next to the bed, enough space for your bedside tables. Nice large balcony area that opens up inside, which is nice attached balcony. Let me see. Okay. It's a nice balcony area. And right next to the bed is the dressing area with a nice large mirror. I love this. And there's an ample space here as well. You can add in more cabinets and utilize this space however you like. And now you must be wondering, okay, now before that, we have this space as well. Again, in every room, your television space or bookshelf area. Add more cabinets, decorate it however you like. And you must be wondering, the room is beautiful, a lot of light, dressing area, but where is the wardrobe? The catch is we have a nice walk-in closet area, as you can see here. So this is the walk-in closet area with 2 large wardrobes that are provided, and you have ample space here on top as well that can be utilized. I love this walk-in closet concept. And right next to it is the attached bathroom, as you can see, which is again quite well ventilated with enough space, natural light, anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So this was the sample flat tour of the 3 BHK flat at Birla Trimaya. If you like this project and you want to book a free site visit, do not forget to click on the link below to book the free site visit. Our sales team will be more than happy to help you, or you can also download the e-brochure provided for more details about the project. So if you like this project and want to see more such similar interesting projects, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.